Ready, paragraph, start. It is necessary for India as well to have a common language which is Hindi, and to make it strong and advanced, it should be adopted at the university level for imparting higher education to students. Paragraph, the persons equipped with masterly knowledge of Hindi will be eagerly sought for and employed when the business among the various states and the center will begin to be translated through Hindi. This mastery of language cannot be achieved unless higher education is given through the Hindi medium. Therefore, to face this emergency, we must now start many Hindi medium colleges in the regions where Hindi is not spoken by the people in any large numbers. Paragraph, the center is taking all sorts of steps for the development of Hindi so that it can be used in all walks of life. In many of the states, Hindi is a compulsory subject up to the high school stage. I am very happy to date that your state is the foremost in these efforts to popularize Hindi. Paragraph, dear sirs, while I thank you with all my heart for the continued support which you are extending to us, I regret to note that for some time now you have reduced its quantum, as you were kind enough to give us advertisements for about rupees 500 a month during the initial stages. I was fondly hoping that you would gradually increase it. Instead of that, I find that there has been a reduction. I am giving every ounce of my energy to strengthen this organization as an organ of independent opinion, and unless good friends like you extend their full cooperation and support, I can hardly hope to succeed in my objective. As the moving spirit of the leading industrial ventures in this place, it should not be difficult for you to kindly give us advertisements for larger amounts. Paragraph, we would soon be completing the first year of our existence, and with the purchase of a fast printing machine, which we hope to effect in the near future, we expect to forge further ahead. It is at this crucial period in the life of our journal your generous support is most needed. With your critical and imaginative approach to life and its problems, you would, I am sure, appreciate the spirit in which I am pleading not merely for the restoration of the cut